If you have ever tried to move photos, videos, music, or large files from your iPhone to your computer, you probably know how frustrating it can be. Sometimes the cable is not nearby. AirDrop only works with Apple devices, and cloud uploads can take a long time, especially when the files are large. In this video, I will show you a very simple and fast way to transfer files between your iPhone and your Windows PC. The method is completely free, works with photos and videos of any size, and transfers files without reducing their quality. If this video helps you, then make sure to like it and subscribe to the channel. It really helps a lot. Now let's get started. First, open any web browser on your computer. Go to the search bar and type local send. Then press enter. From the search results, open the first website. This is the official local send website. On the homepage, click the download button. This will open the download page. Here, you will see different versions of the app for different operating systems. Select Windows from the list and download the exe installer file. The setup file will begin downloading. Wait for the download to finish. Once the file is downloaded, right-click on it and select Open to start the installation. A setup window will appear. Here, you can choose Install for Me. If your computer has multiple user accounts and you want the app available for everyone, you can choose Install for all users. Next, choose your preferred language and click OK. Now you will see the installation location. By default, it selects your C drive, which is perfectly fine because the app is very small, only around a few megabytes. Click Next to continue. You can enable the option to create a desktop shortcut so you can open the app quickly later. Click Next again. When everything is ready, click Install. The installation will take only a few seconds. Once it finishes, click Finish. Now, Local Send has been successfully installed on your PC. Next, we need to install the same app on your iPhone. Open the App Store on your iPhone. In the search bar, type Local Send. Download and install the app just like any other app from the App Store. After the installation is complete, open Local Send on both your computer and your iPhone. When the app opens, it automatically gives a unique name to each device. This helps identify devices when sending files. For example, my iPhone appear with name Adorable Apple, while my computer appear with Clear Pear. Now let's try sending a file from your iPhone to your PC. On your iPhone, tap Send. At the top, choose Files. Then select the file you want to transfer. This can be a photo, video, document, or any other file. After selecting the file, you will see a list of nearby devices that are running Local Send. Your computer should appear in this list. If it does not appear, make sure both devices are connected to the same Wi-Fi network and tap Refresh. Once your PC appears, tap on it. A permission request will appear on your computer. Click Accept. The file transfer will start immediately, and within a few seconds, the file will arrive on your PC. In same way, you can send files from your PC to iPhone. Choose Send on PC and Receive on iPhone. Before sending files, it is a good idea to choose where the received files will be saved on your computer. On your PC, open Local Send Settings. Scroll down until you find the Download Path option. Click on it and choose the folder where you want files to be saved. For example, you can choose the Desktop or the Downloads folder. From now on, any file you receive will automatically be saved in that location. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like the video and subscribe to FixOff for more simple and useful tech guides. Also, feel free to share your thoughts or questions in the comments.